Okay, kita sudah cakap pasal format, kita sudah cakap pasal opening line, salutation and then opening line kan? Okay, sekarang kita cakap pasal the response. Responding to the question. Like I have mentioned just now, be careful with notes. Use the same words given. If it's sure, you should accept. If it's say they're sorry, you have to decline or give bad news. If the task is to explain or describe, you have to give details and description. Okay? Kalau benda di sini, dia cakap describe. Dia bukan setakat kasih tahu, kau mesti terangkan. Okay? Kalau macam dia cakap give 2 examples. Give 2 examples lah, tak boleh satu. Mesti 2. Teacher ajar student teacher to give feelings first, responding through feelings. I agree that, I understand that, I'm glad that, I'm happy. Sebab I want my students to respond to every single sentence even though it is not listed in the notes here at the right. Tapi dia kena juga respond. Jadi untuk selamatkan diri, kita tidak tertinggal apa-apa isi, kita respon je kepada semuanya. Jadi macam mana kamu mau respon? Kamu gunakan feelings. Contohnya, kalau orang tu bagi tahu something yang happy, oh aku keluar dengan mamaku minggu lepas. Jadi kau pun cakap, I'm happy that, and then you repeat the exact information that is given to you. Kebanyakan pelajar, biarpun pelajar tu sangat hebat bahasa Inggeris, inilah masalahnya. Dia tidak beri konteks kepada respons dia. Okay, for example kan, orang tu bagi tahu sama kita. I went out with my mother last week. We spent some time together. Maksud kita sebagai menjawab soalan ni, kita nak boleh cakap, oh that's good news. You don't give context. If this is a reality, okay, you are really answering this email or this letter. If you don't give context, macam mana orang yang baca tu balik tahu apa yang kau cakap? I'm glad for that. I'm glad. Glad for what? You have to give context. Walaupun orang tu yang tulis pertama dan kamu respon kepada apa orang tu cakap, kamu kena bagi konteks. Okay. Contoh ya. Ini perenggan kedua ayat pertama ni. I saw your pictures holding the trophy on Facebook. Okay, that's the original sentence from the question. Jadi dia akan respond dengan I am glad that, and you have to repeat the sentence. I am glad that you saw our picture holding the trophy on Facebook. Astaga, kenapa aku ni? Dah habis ditulis. Malas sekali. Okay, faham kan ni? Faham? Pause di sini, kau rewind. Dengar balik apa aku cakap.